Welcome to KanaTune. Let's sing the Japanese vowels. A I U E O, A I U E O, A I U E O. Sing it nice and slow. 5 little sounds are all you need. That's where every word begins. Let's go. A is an apple. Say ah like the doctor. Anime, yes, you know that word. Is 2 eels standing up together. Say e like eat, ichi, that's 1. A I U E O, A I U E O, A I U E O. Now you're on a roll. Oo is a whirlpool, round and round it goes. Say ooh like noodles, udon. E is a bird with energy to spare. Say A like egg, and that's money. O looks like a UFO flying with the tail. Say O like open, onigiri. A I U E O, feel your mouth change shape. 5 vowels, 5 doors to Japanese.